So we are today in the most dangerous era of Instagram and YouTube. So every day one new Swami and Guru is coming up and then preaching that this is good, that is good. I went to Himalayas and then I found this. So finally we discovered that after doing MD, DM, Harrison and all are behind. There is something else called Himalayan Gyan, right? So one of my patient, a lot of patients, in fact, they ask a question. One YouTube guru, specialist without medical degree, said that Adyam Juhoti Yajnaya Swaha. That is, in those who perform yajna eat only ghee. So ghee is very good because that maintains the myelin sheath and intellectual capacity. Another person said that predisposes to the development of a fatty liver. So what is your opinion on the fat intake in the form of the ghee and the chance of developing the fatty liver? Is there any more proclivity, sir?
When you talk about ghee, it's a saturated fat. So most of us have been taught that saturated fats are not good. Ghee, coconut, and all these things are saturated fat. Then we used to talk much about polyunsaturated fats, monounsaturated fats, saturated fat. What should be the ratio between saturated and polyunsaturated? So all those things, almost like 30, 40 years, we have been discussing so much about it. And today we say judicious admixture of all oils. So whether you want to use ghee or butter or coconut oil or sunflower oil. But there is one more interesting thing which everybody should know is our cooking methods are not same as what others are practicing. Others don't use, most of the times they don't use deep frying. So we dip the food, whether it is vegetarian or non-vegetarian, in oil and then heat it. Sometimes we also do second heating. So most of the time, not most, at least some of the times, we also do microwave second, third heating. So most of the time, our oils are used after heating. Once you heat, whether you are using monounsaturated, polyunsaturated, it will become saturated.
Right.
So it's just eating dalda, hydrogenated oils. No, they're all hydrogenated. So it doesn't really matter whether you're eating sesame oil or ghee or butter. Ultimately, it is the total amount, the proportion of oil what you are using in a person. So suppose if you are taking some oil, better to take the dietitian's advice and make it less than 25%, not more than 25%, whatever oil you are using. It doesn't really matter because these are the new things which, I mean, we know about it, but we never thought that cooking is different. The Mediterranean people are using olive oil. They're just putting after the cooked food, not before the cooked food. And Mediterranean people are marinating and doing a lot of preparation before cooking, either in air fry or in oven. They're not doing deep frying like that. So once you do deep fry, it doesn't really matter whether you are using this or that. Ultimately, human body converts everything, whatever you are eating, into fatty acids. That's all. Whether you eat ghee or sesame or whatever, it will become fatty acid. And